Did some research before applying to the company, and really got the lay of the land of basically how Cardinal is in the community for Sun Prairie and Madison, and I learned a lot from the people around us, and did that research piece of it before I applied here. The program itself has been tremendous as far as the Cardinal University. I think it's a great thing where we can learn hands-on training and get to do a ride along with the service techs or the install techs, to further gain our knowledge for it. I could do the videos and do the visual piece of it, but actually touching the equipment and having Luke or one of the trainees train us that, the teachers train us that, is the biggest part that's going to be separation for me as opposed to going into like a college. Basically, when you come in to Cardinal University, is open your eyes and hear everything that's going on, and let the teachers teach and do that thing. But you're going to gain a lot of knowledge in a short period of time. You're going to get out there with some service techs and install techs, and they're going to show you a lot of different things, and it's going to be definitely a great and rewarding career for you. So learn hands-on training is key, far above and beyond anything else out there. Learning from the videos and my personal experience doesn't give you the knowledge as opposed to looking at it and then testing the equipment, with the hands-on experience.